Good morning, everyone. This is my trade recap for Monday, October 7th. Started out marking. There was only really one new level I liked on the hourly, so I ended up dropping down to the 15-minute. You might have to pause or slow down the video to actually see, but marked a couple of things on the 15-minute and maybe even on the 5-minute. Here is some quick scalps I took going long after what I believed to be was fair value gap in an order block, and then price puts in then I noticed the volume imbalance and decided there's a good chance price was going to come back to clear that out. So I closed. Closed or moved the stop up. I don't remember which. Now that the volume imbalance is cleared, I liked going long there, but I ended up getting stopped out on that one. What I'm doing right here, I just thought of this in the middle of the video, and I wanted a bigger timer for the candle, the countdown for the candle, because it's super tiny over there on the right side. And then I thought, I wonder if somebody has an indicator that counts down candles, and sure enough, so I customized it a little bit to get what I wanted to see, which is just the countdown for the 1 minute candles. And I set it up so that the timer turns green, if you watch right here, once you reach the 30-second mark in the candle. For me, that's kind of like once I get into 30 seconds of the 1 minute candle, I feel like I can believe what it's showing me a little more than in the first 30 seconds. It's not always the case, but I've noticed it enough to actually incorporate it into my trades. That was another quick scalp I tried to take. Moved my stop up as soon as I could, and then got stopped out for, I think, plus $5. Right now, I'm looking at the hourly, trying to determine if I think the hourly candle is going to close above or below that yellow hourly line that I've drawn out there. You can ignore that stuff. I was just trying to change my vertical hourly candle markers. Price just keeps climbing. Which is, it's nice to see that my buys for the morning, I mean, this is all still pre-market, And obviously I was taking smaller profits on the way up, and being very cautious with my stop. But for those of you that don't mind holding a little longer, that would have been a nice trade before breakfast. Here is a trade where I'm going long based on the hourly line, yellow line, and the existing fair value gap. I don't like how it finished out the last few seconds of the candle, so I ended up either moved the stop up or I closed it. I don't remember which one. That happened pretty quick. And that was a $45 loss, I think. So still up for the day. 2 red trades. And there's going to be one more trade. Which actually ends up being the trade of the day, for $405. And it's me going short after price comes through the hourly order block, which is the orange area, and it drops down through a few things in that area. The old 930 fair value gap, which is red, the hourly order block, which is orange, and the hourly level line, which yellow line, which I drew, and the 200 simple moving average. So there's that last trade. That short was $405. A great way to end the day. You really couldn't have asked for more, especially being done this early. Hope you guys did well in the markets today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Bass hits, echoes drift where the cosmos sits. Bass hits, grooves that float through the starry mist.